the nuts and bolts of alimony and child support. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to minimize and leverage alimony to protect your lifestyle. You have to understand something. The divorce racket is really downplaying a fair divorce settlement for a man. I'm sure you've heard of horror stories, and basically you've heard of stories where the wife feels that the grass is greener on the other side, and she proceeds to divorce you, and she starts off by extorting money from you for the rest of your life through alimony. Well, let me ask you this. Did you know there are two major sticking points that's out there for a woman when it comes to a divorce? And I'm sure you're wondering what they are. The first one is child custody. They want to have the children if you do have children. And the second one is she thinks she's going to be a bag lady. So it boils down to money. And by the way, you know this, her attorney is going to try to get as much out of your hide as she possibly can, because this is her only shot. This is it. And you know that. I'm sure you've heard of attorneys saying, I'm going to settle this case for you. Well, most attorneys actually do settle cases. They keep you out of court, but the problem is it takes on average over 485 days to do that. And it's cost a huge fortune in legal fees and all kinds of other fees. Now, I'm not against having an attorney help you with your divorce case. You're going to need them for the legal aspects of your divorce. So we're going to teach you how to use an attorney to get good legal representation. Use their legal skills. It's not uncommon for a divorce, your typical divorce, to get dragged out for over 485 days at a cost of at least $53,000. And by the way, the $53,000 I just mentioned is not talking about attorney's fees only. There's a lot of other fees that are going to be involved, and we talk about that in this session in our members area. Now, I basically have created special sessions to help you understand what you're really up against and to make informed decisions that help you for your lifestyle for the rest of your life. We're also going to talk about alimony tax traps that could cost you a fortune and how to avoid them. Getting this information can make a difference between having a great lifestyle and a mediocre one going forward. I'm also going to talk about a simple alimony strategy that saved a guy just like you going through a divorce that saved him over $30,000 in taxes. You have to understand the tax codes. You don't have to be an expert, but we're going to talk about that in this session. I'm also going to teach you how to maximize your income and minimize your real cost of a divorce. And this session is going to show you how to do that, and more importantly, to minimize your alimony if you're going to be on the hook for it. We're going to talk about some things you can do to minimize that, to keep more income for you. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to teach you how to take control of your life during this divorce. Sign up for your free trial for our membership site and learn the most valuable information about divorce and money that will save you time, fees, and protect your lifestyle before it's too late. You really need this information. Don't delay. Do it now before life gets too busy.